Hello everyone, today I make noodle soup with cooked and fried fish. It's so spicy, delicious dish. I cannot stop eating. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigoncook. On this channel, I share with you everything I know, so please subscribe for your support. Thank you. So I have a fish here and I remove the head, the tail, fillet it to get the bones. On those I will reserve to cook the broth. Talking about the broth, I use the stock, whatever stock you have on hand. You can use a pork stock, chicken stock, or fish stock, or shrimp stock. Because I don't use MSG, so I always intensify the flavor of my stock with bones or shrimp and with vegetables. Now let's cook the broth. I added 1 tablespoon of fat, but you don't use fat, you use oil, go ahead. And I saute crushed garlic and white parts of green onions until fragrant, and I drop in the fish. And I flip those for 2 sides, for both sides, and then now I pour in a whiskey, Jack Daniels, and I flambé it. This way the whiskey concentrated add more flavor to the broth, and it removes the smell of the fish. I add 1 liter of stock, the stock I told you before, and I remove any scum that rises and cook until those bones are cooked. And now I season with 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Because I want spicy, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. It depends on the level of your spiciness. You can use less chili sauce or more. I added a teaspoon of powder seasoning and ground black pepper. And I'm happy with the seasoning. Now I drop in my noodles. The whole recipe I cook for 2-3 people. You are welcome to multiply if you cook for a crowd. I squeeze 1 lime. The thickness will add different dimension to the broth. So I have reserved the green part of green onion. I cut some in 2 inches, and some I slice, and some cilantro I drop into the broth. And now we are ready to put them into bowls. I get some cooked fish as well there, and I replace them onto my bowls. And here are crispy fish. You need to come back to see the video how I fry them. I don't want this video too long, so it's very easy to do, but you come back to see me. So that's it. I added some onion flour I make earlier, and I laid on the broth in. let's review some of the noodles so people know that this is noodle soup. I love it. I hope you love it too. Thank you for watching. I see you soon. Bye bye.